Get around, get around, get around. Cool, we're on. Sorry! Go on, mate. Yeah, let's go. Oh, hit! Oh! 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 Oh, right in the cock.
You weren't there by jail, you were shooting people in there.
Were they blues?
Yeah, there was. There was literally a spot. With the flashlight, I was like,
Oh, was that you that shot the flashlight at me?
yeah.
Yeah, Brandon, you can go for it. Blue? End, right at the end. I'll go around. Right side. Blue.
Blue.
This guy. Fucking bench pressing.
Let's see how strong you are. Let's see how strong you are. I think we're killing them all. I don't think there's much to that. Blue?
No, Brandon, that's red. That's red. Where's he going? He's been hit. Blue.
Someone left.
Yeah, blue. Blue, come through. Blue. Blue. Just bomb in there. Is that a grenade?
Yeah, it didn't go up.
Roger that.
Please push! Please push up!
Hit!
It's still going on, do you know what I mean? So,
Huh?
Respawn. Yeah, it's still your respawn.
Okay. Try me. Where is this one red then? Monster one, so we got 2 on. That's blue.
I'm really confused.
You red?
Yeah.
You're alive?
I just walked upstairs, you lot are upstairs.
Yeah, I don't know. Hey, yeah, yeah. Oh, come on. That was big.
Okay,
Fair enough.
We're the only 2 left.
Oh, fuck off, you were the last guy. I thought you were just looking for your spawn. Oh, you ballbag.
Great minds think alike.
Stairs. Go on, boys, let's get down there. Ready? Hit!
Oh, that's a bad start. One shot will suffice.
Oh, hey, Giffen.
Fucking peppered in the leg.
No. I was like, oh, okay. I'm knackered. That's all it is.
Oh, yeah, I'll take mine.
I'll be back in a sec.
There's a window there.
The window on the left side here, which you can see from this side of the wall, there's no glass in it.
Let me have a look. That was close. I can't even peek.
Hello.
We've got people literally outside that door.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's actually one in this corridor on the outside, so mind that.
Blue. Oh, sorry.
Red, sorry, red.
Oh.
Woo! Keep forgetting that's there.
Oh, yeah, he's there.
On stairs, who's that? Blue? Hit! Yep. Right, one more. Blue coming downstairs. Blue coming downstairs.
Is that blue in front of you?
Yes. Right, I'm gonna be dirty. Sheer for my last life. You good, Joe? Oh, you're blue. Fucking hell, man. Were you hit anyway?
Blue dead coming up.
You dead anyway?
Yeah.
Thank God for that.
3.5 left, guys and girls. 3.5.
Should we go have a little fun? I am on my last live, but...
Me too, but the game's almost over, I'm guessing. So.
Exactly.
That blue's over there.
Blue's over there. Basically just spawn camping them now.
Yeah, it's
Crossing.
on my spawn. Go. Blue.
Yep.
One spawn at the back, but that's one. Thank you very much.
One minute.
Yeah, roger.
Bomb, I'll bring that in, mate.
You alive?
Yep.
Cheers, pal. That was good.
Sorry? Just push a smile on.